Yo guys, welcome to FreeDataScientist again. In this Python tips number 2, we will answer a common question for Python. And this question is, what does the yield keyword does in Python? To answer this question, we need first of all to clarify what is an iteration. An iteration is when you read an item one by one. In this example, we have a list that contains 3 numbers. The variable number print each fruit every time in its iteration over the list. This means every time we run this code, the number variable will get the value inside the list. Therefore, the first print will be number 1, the second print will be number 2, and the third print will be number 3. These iterables can be used anytime you need it in your code. But what happens when you need an iterate just once? We create then a generator. Generators do not store values in memory. They generate the values on the fly. In this case, the difference is the parentheses rather than the square brackets. Iterables are lists, strings, files, etc. With a generator, you cannot use the value numbers another time. When we run the script, we got the results 1, 2, 3.
Hey guys, just a short pause. Remember to subscribe to our channel, click the bell to get notifications from our videos. That's the way you support us.
And what is all about with yield keyword? Yield is a keyword that is used in functions and returns a generator. Therefore, the value will be read just once. Here, this example shows a function that iterates over a generator and returns the addition of the number value in the list twice. You must understand that when you call the function only returns the generator object. But when you use the generator in an iterable, you can get the values. Remember, just once.
And thank you very much guys for watching us. Subscribe to our page, activate the bell to get notifications of our videos, and visit our webpage if you want to become a data pro scientist. Do it now.